Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Welcome to the Thelma and Louise, Andi and Leanna collab show, spooky edition. Andi and I both love Halloween and we wanted to do a Halloween inspired look for you today. We decided that we would choose the other's inspiration for that look. So I chose some inspiration for Andi. And Andi chose some inspiration for me. And I will put the pictures here on the screen that Andi picked for me. I kind of used different tidbits from these pictures to create this woo-woo Leanna inspired look. Andi said she wanted me to do something that was woo-woo Leanna. I am going to fast forward or warp speed this video because it took me close to 4 hours to do this, and ain't nobody got time to watch 4 hours of video. I think I've condensed it down to about 10 minutes, so I'm going to throw some music to it. Hopefully you will enjoy how this look came together and the music, and at the end I will slow it back down and talk to you a little bit about the look.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair, now wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I'll hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you, now wanna be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you, you wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I'll hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came.
This, my friends, is the epitome of woo-woo Leanna. Not all Halloween costumes are spooky or scary. People often are afraid of things that they don't understand. This is Leanna, the witch. What is a witch? A witch is a woman in total control of herself. W-I-T-C-H. We are all not bad, but we can be if you push us. When do you need to unleash your inner witch? Thank you, Andi, for another amazing collab. Make sure that you go check out Andi's video. It'll be linked down in the description box below. I will see y'all in my next video. Okay. Love you. Bye.